Withdrawing funds held by your Google account can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account page and sign in using your email and password. Make sure you are using the account that holds the funds you wish to withdraw. Step 2. Access Google Pay. Once signed in, navigate to Google Pay. You can find it by searching for Google Pay in your browser or by accessing it through the Google Apps menu. Step 3. Check your balance. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Choose withdrawal method. Select your preferred withdrawal method. This could be a bank transfer, debit card, or another payment option available in your region. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information for your chosen method. Step 5. Confirm and complete the withdrawal. Review the details of your withdrawal, including the amount and method. Once everything is correct, confirm the transaction. You should receive a notification or email confirming that your withdrawal is being processed. After completing these steps, your funds should be on their way to your selected withdrawal method. Be sure to check your bank or payment account for the transfer after a few business days.